What you are watching is not just a CNC machine. This is the PRO MASTER T4J, a heavy-duty 5-axis 3D CNC router built for real production, not for demos. For working heads operate simultaneously, machining complex 3D shapes with high precision and absolute consistency. Chair legs, table legs, curved solid wood parts, sculptured components, all completed in one continuous workflow. Thanks to true 5-axis movement, the tool reaches angles traditional CNC routers simply can't. No reclamping, no manual correction, just clean, accurate cuts from start to finish. The rigid industrial frame absorbs vibration, ensuring stable performance even during long production shifts. Combined with the professional CNC control system and servo motors, the PRO MASTER T4J delivers speed, accuracy, and reliability every factory needs. This machine is designed for manufacturers who want to scale up, reduce labor dependency, and produce high-value 3D lift products with confidence. Watch closely, because this is what next level woodworking automation really looks like.